Hello everyone and welcome back to another tutorial from Finance for Beginners. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can set up a manual node on the Trust Wallet application. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up the Trust Wallet application on your device and proceed forward with your passcode or your biometrics. After logging in, you will end up within the home page. Now just click on the top section to see all of your wallets and then tap on the gear icon, which will take you into the settings page. Now from the settings page, tap on preferences and now you will see the node settings. Tap on this option and this will now show you the various different currencies for which you can choose the node. After choosing your desired crypto, you will now see the automatic mode enabled. Underneath you will see the nodes that are available and you can simply tap on whichever node you prefer to connect to use this manual node. As soon as you choose your desired node, the automatic option will be disabled. You can come back to the same page in order to re-enable automatic mode if you wish in the future, but make sure to remember which particular cryptocurrency you have changed the node of. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to use a manual node on the Trust Wallet application. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel for more useful tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching and I'll see you again in the next one.